出名的这东风快车，即阵是推出新的豪华列车，袂输带伫咧饭店共款遐尔舒适，而且还会当食到米其林3星即个总铺3个料理，一个人一餐就要开3500欧元，大约是台票128000块。
东风列车酒吧的交易厅有迷人的钢琴声，这是做甜蜜生活这台高级列车的乘客才会使享受的服务。
So far, it's very nice. Everything is very curated. It's beyond my expectations.
甜蜜生活是第一台由意大利家己制造的高级列车，内底有18条的路线，自中心站罗马出发。带旅客伫咧意大利的城镇细细看看咧，互乘客亲像行伫老电影的场景内底。乘客伫咧现场的伴奏甲迎宾人员的欢迎之下上车。火车的风格是50年代气派的古早味。列车顶悬有18间有液晶仔的套房，小小的车厢内底亲像住伫咧大饭店共款。
So in the north, you will have a different menu than what we are doing, for example, in our Sicilian journey. But every plate is prepared in a proper way, in a perfect way, with giving emotions.
自套房餐车到交易厅，互乘客若像伫高级搁舒适的乐园。东风快车高级列车的经营者之一。阿尼塞达莱集团讲，希望会使打造会顶档的顶级饭店，带乘客体验深度的意大利文化。
They might want to invest in a one-time life experience, or they just want to change and come from the yacht or from the private jet here on the train. What brings them together is that they want to be here. They want to taste this experience we are offering of La Dolce Vita Orient Express.
What is interesting is meeting people and different experiences throughout the world.
Experiences it's really nice. It's not nice. It's amazing.
经营团队计划伫2027年进前推出6台高级列车，载客目标数是6万人，估计营运的规模达到上亿欧元。同时来规划跨国的列车行程，包括伊斯坦堡、希罗埃西亚，也阁有苏普利迪甲巴黎。未来嘛会布局沙烏地阿拉伯甲北非，进一步扩大高级列车的观光版图。公司新闻张淑芬编译。